Most people think Elon Musk got rich from salary. He didn't. If he had taken a giant paycheck like a normal executive, taxes would have hit that money the moment it showed up. But that was never the real game. Instead of building wealth through salary, he built it through stock. As Tesla grew, the value of those shares exploded, and on paper, that made him insanely rich. But here is the part most people miss. Being rich on paper is not the same thing as having cash in your bank account. You can own billions in stock and still not want to sell it, because the second you sell, you may trigger a huge tax bill. So, what do the ultra-rich do instead? They borrow against the stock. They use those shares as collateral. The bank gives them a massive loan, and the asset stays untouched. That means they can get cash to spend without selling the thing that made them rich in the first place. And that cash is not treated like salary. It is debt. That is the trick. Regular workers get paid, taxed, and then spend what is left. But the ultra-rich often play a completely different game. They grow wealth through assets, keep those assets, and then use those same assets to unlock more money. So when people ask how someone like Elon can stay rich, spend big, and still avoid cashing out the empire, the answer is simple. He does not always sell first. Sometimes he borrows first. That is why the rich do not always live off salary. They live off ownership, leverage, and a system that works very differently once your wealth is tied to assets instead of paychecks.